back to my channel. This is Juby May.
Hello guys, good morning. Today guys is Thursday, yes, and me and the kids are going to the supermarket because I'm going to, no, not to the supermarket but to the butcher shop because I want to buy meat guys, because I'm planning to cook laing, because my taro root has so many leaves already, so I have to harvest that and I will try to cook laing because I haven't eaten for many years guys. Yes guys, I'm so looking forward to cook laing. Yes, and guys, it is very hot, the humidity is so high, so look at my face. As in guys, not sweating all the time. Look, grabe. It's really so hot. Gusto namin pumunta sa swimming pool, but with the two kids, I cannot handle them. So better with my husband. The four of us, yes. Hello guys. So today's lunch guys, I'm going to cook laing. Yes. Di ba nakakain guys yung dahon ng gabi? Ng taro root, so that's what I'm going to cook for lunch because I didn't eat taro leaves for many years guys, so I really miss it. So tara na guys at mag-harvest tayo ng taro leaves. Hello mga sis, so this is the only gabi guys ang na-harvest natin. Ito lang, konti lang pala mga sis, so I'm not sure if I have enough, but yes, for one person or two person I think for this one. Yes guys, so hiwain na natin. So guys, let's start cooking. So guys, nahiwa ko na. I just cut all the taro leaves. Let's add all the ingredients like ginger and onion. So isahog natin ito guys, but what we are going to do is iluto natin, i-fry natin guys hanggang matanggal lahat yung taba niya. And then we're going to add in the last part guys. So guys, hindi na natin lagyan ng oil kasi this one has fat. But we are going to throw away all the oil guys, ha mamaya. Ganyan lang guys. Throw away the oil. So here are the ingredients guys for our laing. We have ginger and onion. So let's add in. Alright guys, let's add water. Just enough water lang guys, hanggang maluto siya. And then we will add coconut milk as well. And ito guys, ang ating pork belly. Naluluto na siya guys. Hindi ko nilagyan ng any oil guys. Ganyan lang guys hanggang masisi lahat yung taba niya. This is what we are going to use guys. Itong coconut milk na ito. So yan ang ating laing guys. And now we are going to add in our coconut milk. And now let's add salt. Tara, sunog na guys ang ating karne. Yes, ayan ang fats niya guys. Ang dami no. So we have to throw all the oil guys. So, ito lang guys, ang ating meat. Brown na siya, diba? Hello guys, so ilagay na natin ang ating meat guys. I-reduce pa natin guys ang kanyang liquid. Hello guys, so luto na ang ating laing. So let's see guys. Ayan, uy, ang sarap. Oo guys, ang sarap din ng amoy. Sabi ni Hailey, "Mommy smells so good." Sabi niya. Let's see if they want to eat this. Kain tayo guys. Kain na tayo mga kapatid, mga sis. Kain tayo everyone. So guys, here is our taro root guys. I mean taro root. Taro leaves. Looks so good. As in guys, na ang sarap niya. And kain na tayo.
Kain na tayo.
Hailey's going to try it. You like it, Hailey?
I want to try the taro.
Uy. What do you think?
So yummy.
Hailey likes it, guys. Yummy. Okay, guys. So my husband is eating the laing. Yes, and he said, "What do you think, Daddy?" Really good. Huh?
Buenísimo. Masarap.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and turn on also guys the notification bell so you won't miss any video of me. Hope to see you again guys with a brand new video. Bye!